Here is the Fuji K-28 overall conditions. It's a heavy duty camera, and here is the battery compartment using 2 AA battery. So here we'll show the way to put it inside. First you need to put one inside, then only you can put another one inside. Okay, then then the next thing is open the back cover by pushing here, then open here. Okay, yeah. Inside will be like this. Then the film, slide into it and put the film tip into here. Yeah, you can see here got the arrow, so you just push it inside like that. Make sure that your film is flat and wind it. Okay, then make sure that the film canister is flat also. Then just close it. After close, press it hard, and okay, that means okay, ready. How to make sure whether you have loaded the film properly? When you wind the film, look at the screw right here. It will wind together, which means that it's okay ready. And here is the focus. You can adjust by yourself. It's a manual focus camera, so you just adjust the focus at here, then shoot. And here is the lock button. When you switch to here, you can press the shutter. And here is the flash button. When you half press, you can see, yeah, okay, if inside it's like this, then which means that you need to open the flash. If it's bright enough, let's say we take the, yeah, you see when I half press, it doesn't appear any red light. The red light is the signal light for you to open the flash. Here is the signal, the sensor. If I cover it, yeah, you see, got the red light up. Then we just switch here to open the flash. You need to wait for it to recharge for a while. When it's fully charged, here will light up orange light. Then only you can shoot it. Wait for a while. It's a heavy duty camera, so it's anti-shock and waterproof. Yep. Okay, yeah, you see the orange light up. Inside is okay. Yep. Then if you don't want to flash, then just off it. So overall it's like this. Here will show how many shots you have took. When you finish the film, how to know whether you finish? When you wind until you feel that there's a resistance that you cannot wind anymore, then stop it and press the button here. Okay, after you press it, flip here up and start rewind. Okay, yeah, you see here got the arrow showing you the way to rewind. Rewind until the camera is loose, which means that you have fully rewinded. Yeah, like that. And put it back and press here to open the back cover. Then take out the film. So it's quite simple.